Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Main College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notifications, like the video, comment and share. In this video, another non-homogeneous differential equation with constant coefficients. Okay, I am going to solve here. The right hand side is cos 2x into cos x. Okay, now the differential equation they are given with another notation y double dash plus 9y. This is nothing but and y and x is there, therefore it is a x is independent variable, y is dependent variable, therefore d square y by dx square plus 9y equal to cos 2x into cos x, it is given. Now let me use the differential operator and write the given equation in the form as a differential operator form, that is d square plus 9 into bracket y equal to cos 2x into cos x. Okay, as it is a non-homogeneous, the solution contains two solutions, that is one CF and PI. Now to find out CF, complementary function, okay, that is m square plus 9, this is replaced by m equal to 0. Therefore it is nothing but m square equal to minus 9, therefore m equal to plus or minus 3i, due to this minus it will become I. Therefore complementary function yc equal to, I can write it as imaginary, real part is 0, imaginary part is 3, therefore it is c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x is my yc. Okay, then particular integral I have to find out. Okay, to find pi, yp equal to, I can write it as yp equal to cos 2x cos x divided by this one, that is cos of 2x into cos x divided by d square plus 9. As the numerator is product of two trigonometric terms, I cannot split cos 2x divided by this and this one. Therefore, I can convert this into a sum of two trigonometric terms. Okay. Therefore, I have the formula cos of a plus b. Okay. Cos a into cos b is equal to 1 by 2 times cos of a plus b. Once again, this is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is the formula for cos a into cos b equal to 1 by 2 times cos of a plus b. Therefore a is 2x, b is x, therefore my yp I can write it as 1 by 2 times cos of a plus b 2x plus x 3x plus cos of a minus b 2x minus x will become x cos x all divided by d square plus 9. Now I can split this one into two pi's, particular integrals, that is yp equal to, I can write it as 1 by 2 times cos 3x divided by d square plus 9. Because of addition I can split like this, plus cos x divided by d square plus 9. This I will call it as 1 by 2 times pi1 plus pi2. This is my pi1 and this is my pi2. Therefore pi1 equal to, I will consider first. Okay, consider pi1 equal to cos 3x divided by d square plus 9. Okay, to find out its pi, d square, only d square is replaced by minus a square. A is nothing but 3 here, minus 3 square. It is not minus 3 the whole square, it is minus into 3 square, therefore it is minus 9. D square is replaced by minus 9. That will become cos 3x divided by minus 9 plus 9, cos 3x divided by 0, which is not the pi now because the denominator is becoming 0. That's why what we will do, I will multiply by x into cos 3x divided by differentiation of denominator d square plus 9. Differentiation of d square with respect to d will become 2d plus 0. And we know that 1 by d is nothing but integration. Okay, inverse differential operator. As plus 2 or something is not there, that's why directly I can write. That is equal to x by 2 into 1 by d. I can write it as integration of cos 3x dx, which is equal to x by 2 into integration of cos 3x will become sin 3x divided by 3. That is nothing but x sin 3x divided by 6 is my particular integral of 1 pi1. Okay, similarly pi2 I have to calculate. pi2 equal to cos x divided by, just you can check here, cos x divided by d square plus 9. That one I will calculate. Cos x divided by d square plus 9. Therefore here only d square is replaced by minus a square, and a is nothing but here 1. Coefficient of x is nothing but 1. Minus 1 square is minus 1. Therefore cos x divided by minus 1 plus 9, which is nothing but cos x divided by 8 is my pi2. Okay, pi1 plus pi2 together will form a particular integral. Therefore my particular integral is equal to 1 by 2 times pi1, that is x cos 3x divided by 6 plus cos x divided by 8 is my particular integral. And the general solution is given by, general solution will be given by CF plus PI. That one I will write now. Therefore complete solution y equal to yc plus yp. My yc is nothing but c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x plus yp, particular integral, it is 1 by 2 times x cos 3x divided by 6 plus cos x divided by 8, or this 2 we can multiply here, and my complete solution will become c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x plus x cos 3x divided by 12 plus cos x divided by 16 is the complete solution or a general solution, because c1 and c2 we are not finding here. That's why it is called as a general solution. Like this, some more examples I am going to solve on this non-homogeneous differential equations. If you not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of my next videos. Like this video, comment, and also share this video. Thank you friends.